Did you know that in 1954, 800 children in Scotland hunted a vampire that never existed? It started in Glasgow when hundreds of kids grabbed knives and stones. They all rushed to the old cemetery at the same time. They were hunting for a vampire with iron teeth that had killed two local boys. For days, children kept coming. Police had to guard the graveyard every night. But here's the scary part. No boys had actually died. No vampire stories were in the news. No one could figure out where the children learned about this creature. When adults asked the kids, they all described the same vampire, same iron teeth, same location. They all said trusted adults had told them about it, but those adults were never found. Nearly 1,000 children believed the exact same story. They got the same details from sources that didn't exist. Scientists still study this case today. No one knows how the vampire story spread to so many kids. Would you have joined the hunt? Follow for more unexplained mysteries.